This is a quick look at these PowerExtra 3 amp hour 12 volt batteries for Bosch power tools. So this is the traditional Bosch 12 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion battery. You can see these are both lithium ion. Let's just take a look around. You can see the PowerExtra is a little bit shorter. The clip is a little bit shorter, so it just kind of sits a little higher in the tool. The contacts are slightly different, obviously more refined on the Bosch. The slots are a little wider tolerances on the PowerExtra. And I've only noticed a slight reduction in power. I'm going to see if you can hear this. Just you can hear it in the sound of in the tool. So this is the PowerExtra. You can just hear the pitch difference with the Bosch. So very slight difference, but for some extra batteries to have on hand just in case, I think these are an excellent option to fill out your needs.